Welcome to the channel, you guys. Summertime Kevin is here, and we are going to the lake. This is the weekly trip to the lake, and I came through Smyrna, Tennessee to a place called Karin's Custards and Hamburgers. It's 3:21. It is Friday. Okay, it's Friday, but it's 3:21, and they have a line out the street through their drive-thru. Luckily, they got this huge turnaround. I was able to bring the jet ski over here and get turned around. So I've ordered a plain cheeseburger and plain burger with grilled onions and a smash burger loaded and a custard Bombdiggity custard. So we're about to see what this place is about. It has got great reviews, and we're gonna find out if it's any good. She said come to the window in 5 minutes, which I really can't believe it'd be ready in 5 minutes, but I'm gonna go to the window in 5 minutes and we'll see. They must be happy. All right, I'm back with the food. That girl was right. It was less than 5 minutes and it was ready. My total was $15, and I got the Bombdiggity dessert. It's custard with Reese pieces and crushed up peanut butter something and something and whipped cream. And I mean, dessert first, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's good. That's really good. I don't know how I'm gonna eat all that though. All right, let's go for these burgers. We'll do the plain with grilled. This is how they serve them, with the bag turned in. Kind of weird. So we're gonna do just a plain burger. And I told her to put the grilled onions on it. So that is definitely a smash burger. Oh, that's got cheese on it. And the grilled onions. Oh, it smells amazing. There's no doubt that's a good smash burger. Just your run-of-the-mill $1.50 hamburger bun, but see, it cracks a little bit, so you know it's not been steamed or anything like that. It's just been sitting out. But man, on top, it's still a little bit juicy. The American cheese is there. I got the grilled onions in there. Yeah. That's a legit smash burger. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 vehicles on the road trying to turn into the drive-thru. They're creating their own In-N-Out burger over here. This is their loaded cheeseburger with everything they put on it. I know it's still a smash burger, but it's significantly heavier. So we got meat. Okay, so we got bun, cheese, and meat because it's stuck. And we got tomato, lettuce, pickle, and looks like ketchup. And onion. Well, I'm telling you what. Crunchy onions, crunchy pickle, crunchy lettuce, burger still hot, cheese is melty and gooey. Karin's Custards and Hamburgers. This is legit. If you live in the Smyrna, Laverne, Murfreesboro area, this is where you need to get a burger. I'm telling you what, that's good. And if you want a custard, which is their ice cream, that's legit too. That line's going down pretty fast. 2004. 100 chicken nuggets, $40. So as you can see, they're near railroad tracks. You can't see, but behind these cars is a eating area. One's covered and then a bunch of picnic tables. There's one sign posted that said, "For your safety, stay off railroad tracks." I would say, no matter where you are, what you're doing, for your safety, stay off railroad tracks. I don't know how I'm doing this, but I got almost 2 burgers down. Those are excellent. I mean, there's no way I can eat that. That's like another pound of food. Oh, there it is. I almost lost my spoon. There we go. All right, we out of here. We're heading back to the boat ramp. Launch the ski. All right, so that was my review on Karin's Custards. That's with a K. Karin and Custards. Overall, it was a great experience. I mean, they were so fast getting that food out. I mean, she told me, I called from the parking lot. She said, "Okay, come up to the window in 5 minutes." And I came up in 5 minutes, and that food was ready. Price wise, I give it like a 7 out of 10, something like that. It's not cheap, but it's not overly expensive for what you get. The custard I got was huge. It seemed like it was a pound of food. It had full of whatever they're supposed to be in there. The burgers were delicious. Hamburger buns, like I said, cheap, $1.50 for 8 hamburger buns or whatever you get now. You get them anywhere, but that smash burger was cooked perfectly, crusty and delicious. Those onions were still good and crunchy, and they still had flavor. The American cheese was processed, but that's okay. It tastes good like that. And that everything smash burger, pickle the lettuce and the tomato, all fresh, all crunchy, and the burger on top and the cheese on top, really, really good. So what I recommend, oh yeah. You know, drive right past Burger King, drive right past McDonald's, drive right past Wendy's and everything else that you come across, and go to Karin's Custards if you want a burger. Burger and fries. I went back later and I had the fries are good. I had the mac and cheese bites. They're good. So all the food I've tried there is excellent fast food, and it is fast. I'm Summertime Kev. You're watching Kevin 11 Outdoor Adventures on YouTube, and you're watching Delicious Feel Good Foods and recipes on YouTube. Go over there, check my channels out, you guys. I got loads of recipes, fun things I do. I do reviews. I do go out fishing. I jet ski all the time. Summertime Kev is here, and I will see you guys over there.